Hey, gorgeous souls! Cher here, and let's get real for a second. Being a mom is the most rewarding job on the planet, but it can also feel like the most demanding. Am I right? We pour our hearts and souls into raising our little humans, but sometimes it leaves us feeling tapped out, especially when it comes to our finances. You deserve to thrive, not just survive. You deserve to chase your dreams without sacrificing precious time with your family. That's why I'm so excited to share this video with you. Today, we're diving deep into 5 incredible side hustles that are tailor-made for busy moms like you. We're talking about using the skills you already rock in your 9-to-5 to create more freedom, flexibility, and financial abundance. Get ready to unleash your inner mom boss. Let's dive in. Are you the queen of crafting killer emails or the go-to guru for grammar in your office? Guess what? Those writing chops are pure gold. Freelance writing is an amazing way to leverage those skills and create a flexible income stream that works around your family's schedule. Think about it. Businesses all over the world need compelling website copy, engaging blog posts, captivating social media content. The list goes on and on. That's where you come in, my friend. You can find freelance writing gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger, or you can pitch your services directly to businesses you admire. Start by identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you know like the back of your hand? Once you've found your writing sweet spot, create a portfolio of your best work to showcase your skills. Remember, you don't need years of experience to get started. Your unique voice and perspective are valuable. The beauty of freelance writing is that you can often set your own rates and work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Imagine answering emails while your little ones are napping, writing blog posts after they're tucked in bed, or even taking your laptop to the park for a change of scenery. Freelance writing allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and watch your income grow, all while rocking your mom duties like the superhero you are. Are you a master organizer? Do spreadsheets make your heart sing? Are you the queen of inbox zero? If this sounds like you, then a virtual assistant, VA side hustle, might be your perfect match. Think about all the skills you use every day to keep your household running smoothly. Now imagine putting those superpowers to work for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even big-time CEOs. Virtual assistants provide remote administrative, technical, or creative support to clients from all over the world. You could be managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, creating presentations, booking travel. The possibilities are truly endless. The best part? You can customize your services to match your unique skill set and interests. Love social media? Become a social media VA. Got a knack for numbers? Offer bookkeeping or financial planning services? Platforms like Fancy Hands, Belay, and virtual assistant jobs connect VAs with potential clients. Or you can spread the word about your services through your network and social media. As a VA, you're in the driver's seat. You choose which clients you want to work with, set your own rates, and create a schedule that seamlessly integrates with your family life. It's all about designing a work-life balance that lights you up. Calling all moms with a passion for education. If you love helping others learn and grow, why not turn your teaching skills into a rewarding side hustle as an online tutor? Whether you're a whiz at math, a grammar guru, or fluent in another language, there are students of all ages eager to learn from your expertise. Online tutoring offers incredible flexibility. You can create your own schedule, set your own rates, and work from the comfort of your own home. Plus, you have the opportunity to connect with students from all walks of life and make a real difference in their educational journeys. How amazing is that? There are tons of online tutoring platforms out there like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors that connect tutors with students. You can also create your own website or social media profiles to market your services directly. When setting up your online tutoring business, think about your areas of expertise, the age group you'd like to work with, and the subjects you're most passionate about teaching. Remember, your enthusiasm and love for learning will be contagious. So, channel your inner teacher, embrace your love of knowledge, and empower students around the globe, all while earning extra income on your own terms. Let's face it, moms are the ultimate multitaskers. We're constantly juggling a million things at once and staying connected with our tribe online. So why not channel those social media savvy skills into a profitable side hustle as a social media manager? Businesses everywhere are looking for social media superstars to help them grow their online presence, engage their audience, and boost their bottom line. That's where you come in, gorgeous. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice of the brand, creating captivating content, scheduling posts, running ads, engaging with followers, and analyzing data to optimize performance. Start by honing in on your niche. Are you passionate about food, fashion, fitness, or something else entirely? Once you've identified your area of expertise, start building your portfolio by offering your services to local businesses or volunteering to manage social media for a nonprofit organization you love. The beauty of social media management is that it can be done entirely online, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere, anytime. Plus, you get to flex your creative muscles, stay on top of the latest trends, and help businesses shine online. Talk about a rewarding side hustle. Are you a creative soul with a passion for crafting, designing, or curating unique treasures? If so, then opening an Etsy shop might be your golden ticket to entrepreneurial bliss. Etsy is an online marketplace where you can sell your handmade, vintage, or craft supply creations to a global audience of shoppers hungry for one-of-a-kind finds. The beauty of Etsy lies in its ability to empower creative entrepreneurs like you to turn their passions into profits. Whether you're a whiz at crocheting, a jewelry-making maven, a vintage clothing aficionado, or a candle-pouring pro, there's a place for you on Etsy. Setting up your shop is easier than you might think. Etsy provides all the tools and resources you need to create stunning product listings, manage orders, and connect with customers. The key to Etsy's success is to tap into your unique talents, create high-quality products that people will adore, and provide exceptional customer service. Remember, people shop on Etsy for the personal touch and the opportunity to support independent artists and creators like you. So, embrace your inner entrepreneur, unleash your creativity, and watch your Etsy shop blossom into a thriving hub for your unique creations. There you have it, my friend. 5 incredible side hustles perfectly tailored for busy moms like you, ready to ditch the time for money trap and create a life overflowing with purpose, flexibility, and financial freedom. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have the power to design a life you love, one where you can prioritize your family without sacrificing your dreams. So tell me, which side hustle lights your fire? Which one will you start building today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos packed with tips and inspiration to help you rock your mom life and business like the true queen you are.